Hey guys, we're going to take a quick look at Cape Cod Cop Watcher today. He's kind of like an El Dope Doggy Dog style auditor. He doesn't know what he's talking about, and he's out to save our rights from stuff. Here we go.
This guy over here, call me a mother. It's over there.
That was a very brief hello from El Dope Doggy Dog. Yes, he's still around, but he doesn't make very much good stuff. So let's move on to, let's see, who we got here? Cape Cod Cop Watcher. He's a real hero down there.
So this is the guy that came out and talked to me and gave me Brett's name. And this is his fucking tag number right there. It doesn't matter. You're in public, not in private in public. It doesn't matter. You're on public property. You're on town property.
Well, according to the way he talks, it sounds like he could be El Dope Doggy Dog's brother. Sounds just like him to me. I don't know. Let's see how this goes.
You're not a private citizen. It doesn't matter. Then you should have left your vehicle over there then. I already had the cops run off on me. Like,
I know you. I'm not worried about you.
Yeah, I know you're not. Because you know I'm not a danger. But I'm holding you motherfuckers accountable for your shit. Accountable. Accountable for your actions.
I have no idea what his beef with this guy is. He didn't explain it. Maybe it's just because he's parked in public. He's having a beef with him because he's not supposed to be there. I don't know what's going on here.
And Brett there? Like, no. He was a bad boy. Because he wouldn't state his name when I asked him. And that's his job. If you work for the public and we the people pay you, you work for us. Okay. All right? Okay. Okay, go in and go suck some more dick. Bitch.
Well, that escalated quickly, didn't it? What an idiot this guy is. Usually all his videos are him home cooking something like ramen noodles or something because he's poor and stuff. But yeah, this is what he does in the meantime. This is his hobby.
But, and again, here you go. This is his license plate. And you know what? We're going to go check his inspection sticker. $11.23. He's good. He's good.
It's probably a damn good thing he had an up-to-date inspection, or Cape Cod Cop Watcher would have filed a complaint. Yeah, let's speed through this until somebody else shows up, because this is boring.
I'm doing all right. How are you doing? I'm just filming my public officials while they're doing their duties.
First Amendment protected activity.
He knows.
Of course I do know.
He knows. Yeah.
What's your YouTube channel?
Cape Cod Cop Watcher.
Oh, all right, cool, nice.
Yeah. And like, I'm not out there to bust people's asses.
No, God, why would you?
Yeah, but yeah, you know, like, yeah, dude, they need to know that people are out there, like, willing to fight for their rights.
Yeah, of course, you got it.
And a lot.
Yeah, First Amendment's the number one most important thing. That's why it's number one in the amendments.
Yeah. Since you like work for the county.
Oh, you work for the town. The
Yeah,
town.
or like
Yeah,
county,
so-
town. It's the same
County
thing.
is the courthouses and that kind of thing.
Oh, okay. You got me on that
Well,
one.
they have county health, county inspectors, and then they have town inspectors, town health. Those, you know, those like four different
Can I get
departments.
your name?
I'm Francis.
Francis?
Joe.
Joe? And what do you do? The grounds or
We do the maintenance on the buildings.
you do the maintenance? Hell yeah. See, hell yeah. You see.
I've been trying to find out forever exactly what rights these guys are trying to protect for us that we don't have or that get abused, because I've yet to see it. I've never really cared what lawn maintenance guys, you know, I never crossed my mind that I should hold them accountable. It's just, I don't understand, because they won't tell me what they're trying to protect me from. I have no idea. If you do, please chime in and let me know.
This is what we look for. We look for transparency. Like, yeah, of course we're out looking for the bad, and we're also looking for the good too.
Yeah, of course.
Because, like, of course, like people
There's good
like
and
you.
bad of, you know, in every cops, you know, departments, everything. We get it.
Oh hell
Good
yeah!
people here though. The town's really good. Town.
Yeah, I love this town hall. I love it, but
Alright, this is super boring. I'm gonna speed ahead, see if I can find anything else. If not, I'll move on to something else.
Alright, have a good weekend.
you out of here?
Kind of. I have to go do some other stuff away from this building before I can go home.
Oh man, they're making you work like a slave, huh?
What's that?
Making you work like a slave, huh?
Well, you know, it is what it is.
At least they give you the weekends off.
Well, kind of. Oh, alright. See you later.
Like, what do you do on the weekends if you work on the weekends, if you don't mind me asking for a couple minutes?
If they need the time off, I will work writing tickets and whatnot.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. It is what it is. It doesn't bother me at all.
Is Brett still here?
Nope,
He snuck out the front door.
he could have.
He snuck out there.
He was still in the building. I don't know if he.
Yeah, I know. I bet you he snuck out the front door.
Francis.
Like, I just had a nice conversation with two other employees around here, and
Justin and Francis.
like, dude, I'm not out here to bust people's asses. It's like you're working for me.
Yeah, honestly, he's not out there to bust anybody's balls or anything. He's out there just to hold people accountable and get their names. This guy's apparently a city worker that does maintenance or something, and he's trying to hold him accountable. And let's listen to how he's trying to hold him accountable. A little refresher on how he treats this guy, because now it seems like they're best friends.
But I'm holding you motherfuckers accountable for your shit. Like, I'm paying your salary. And when I ask you for your name, you should give it. And I'm pretty sure if I was to FOIA request your policy, that is part of your policy, is to give your name.
I agree with you.
And where he didn't want to give me his name makes me feel like he's hiding something.
Yeah,
So,
we'll have to have a chat with him.
right, yeah.
Today's literally his second day.
It don't matter. First
I
day,
know, but I
second
mean-
day. Yeah, like, if he doesn't want to be pressed like this, like, I know you really don't. But I'm holding you motherfuckers accountable for your shit. But you know what? You're dealing with it.
And that's what it is.
Like,
I mean,
you work for
can
the
come in
people.
the building if you want.
I can,
We can-
but I'm not gonna do it
We've
today.
had the hippie auditor. We've had all sorts of people.
Oh yeah, I mentioned Hippie. Yeah, the other guy knows Hippie. Yeah.
I mean,
Okay, he's pretty boring. You want to see him in his home environment? Let's check him out in his home environment.
That's shitty.
I don't know if he's inside of an old rusted out steel container or what, but apparently that's where he lives, and some woman in the background coughing her butt off. I don't know what he's smoking there, but it probably ain't very good for you. Anyway, that's the video, folks. That's all I got. That's the best I can do for today. Hope you enjoyed. Love y'all. Bye.